Hi, I'm Kurt. I told you I was going to teach you how to make butter. I'm a man of my word. Coincidentally, I need to make butter today, so let's go. So I'm going to make this quick and easy because it is quick and easy. All you need is a food processor, some cream, and a bowl with some cheesecloth. What we're going to do is put this into the food processor and we're going to process the crap out of it for, I don't know, like 10 or 15 minutes until you get butter. And then we're going to strain it and wring it out. And then we're going to separate the butter and the buttermilk that we will have as a result of making butter. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Let's do it. It took us 12 minutes to get here with about a minute of stoppage in between. So I'm gonna give my food processor a break for a second and just say, as you can see, it like all of a sudden just like became butter. 1 minute you have like whipped buttery type substance, and then all of a sudden the next minute you have butter. So we're gonna process this a little bit longer and then we'll pour it out and we'll strain it and yeah, let's go. And then you're gonna take a cheesecloth. The reason you need cheesecloth for this is because you need something like strong enough to kind of wring this out and strain it at the same time. And there it is. Let's package it up. 'I don't know really a good way to package this up. I don't claim to be an expert at that. If you have any ideas, please let me know. The best thing that I can do is take some parchment paper and kind of roll it up like I did into this like long roll. I'm going to throw it in the freezer for like 20, 30 minutes. And then I'm going to cut it up and wrap it in saran wrap to have like, you know, butter type sticks. That's all there is to it. We have our butter, our buttermilk. We started out with 32 ounces of cream and we got enough buttermilk to fill a 16-ounce mason jar to the brim. We have just shy 13.9 ounces of butter, and a half ounce of butter is the equivalent to 1 tablespoon of butter. A stick of butter is 8 ounces. So we have 28 tablespoons divided by 8. That's 3.5 sticks of butter. That's it for me. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.